I got 2 pepper plants here that have lived through this long winter, and yet they're not thriving like the rest of them. Most of the others seem to be doing pretty well. So we're going to take a few extra steps to help them, give them a little bit of encouragement, hopefully bring them back to full force where they're happy, happy, happy. First thing I'm going to do with this one is reach underneath it, get as much as the root ball as I can get. Not a whole lot of root ball there. They need more. That's why it's staying so small. We're going to set this in some rainwater. Try to keep those roots wet. And we're going to pull out the weeds. There's not a whole lot of weeds in here, but I don't want them taking any nutrition away from that plant. Oh, wait a minute. I think that's a golden pippin. Next, we're going to refresh the soil that's in here. I've got some worm castings. Half of one of these cups, probably 3/4 of a cup in there. Just guessing. We're going to refresh it. That looks pretty good. We're going to add some more potting soil to it. We retrieved the pepper plant. Looks like it's got a pretty deep root right there. Now, we're going to dig a hole. Try to get it as deep. We're going to hold the pepper where the crown is right there. Make sure those roots make good contact. Now we mulch. It's just some hay, old hay. We've used it on a few other things, so I'm reasonably sure it doesn't have any herbicide poisoning on it. But I'm gonna try to get it underneath the leaves so that it'll kind of keep them off the soil. Now, one difference between that last one and this one is this one had some dead growth on it. The other one was pretty much green the whole way. This is obviously alive because it's got green stems coming out of it. There's not much roots to it, not a whole lot of foliage, but I'm gonna see if I can save it. Will it work? I have no idea. I haven't seen a whole lot of videos or gained a whole lot of information about how to bring back a mostly dead pepper plant. Truthfully, I'm not even sure anybody would worry with it with its little roots and the little plant as there is actually left, but this is one of the ones that were alive after the winter. Seems to me it deserves every chance it can get. So we've made this up just like the other one. We've refreshed the lower soil. It does have one decent root on there, it looks like. We're going to press it in. Time to mulch. Mulch helps keep the soil moist, helps protect the soil and the microbes in it. Also helps retain moisture. It's pretty important. Think about it. Mother Nature covers dirt. She must do so for a reason. Either you pick out what it's covered by, or let her. Usually she's going to bring up some weeds. She got to find us for them, I reckon. Time to water them. Sorry if you can hear my breathing. It's hot out here today. If you want to see if I was successful, and I sure want to see it, you'll have to check back, see how these pepper plants do. I still got to go mulch those pepper plants I've had in intensive care. If you'd like to learn more about mulching and figure out whether or not you want to do it or not, check out this video. It'll give you a lot of good information. You know, I always wondered why you see all these folks working in dirt, but they never seem to get their hands dirty. I can't seem to keep mine clean.